miss it, I'll give it all to him again. Nice car. I have a GT3 RS. I'll smoke it.
I'm so impressed. Because he's the guy that was said. Will you unlock it?
He had 30 seconds. He's pulling your car right in.
Hey, you got 2.4 seconds? I don't think so.
Guys, did you send? Dude. John, just unlock it. John.
He starts screaming, do you know how much money I have? I'm stealing you 30
I got more money than you.
Dodge One Pro.
Sadly, the people are leaving. We started with the C63 AMG, this 911. This beast needs to be on the other side, not here. That's a Huracan Evo. It's a beast. Whoa. Huracan Evo. It stopped raining, so let's pretend we just got here. Welcome to the Ponte Vedra Auto Show 2020. And yeah, here I am. I was gonna miss it. What a shame. This is also one of my favorite cars, the Porsche Macan. I had one. This one is beautiful. In white, matte. It's super nice. Ooh, and it has the red seats. Sexy. I'd rather say super nice, the word nice instead of sexy. But sexy is the right word for this car. It's beautiful. GTS. Ooh, and this Beetle is cool. Also the plate. I love the license plate. Sometimes I'm thinking of getting like a 370Z and just do drifts with it. Ooh.
Miss it, I'll give it all to him again. Nice car. I have a GT3 RS. I'll smoke it.
I'm so impressed. Because he's the guy that was said. Will you unlock it?
He had 30 seconds. He's pulling your car right in.
Hey, you got 2.4 seconds? I don't think so.
Guys, did you send? Dude. John, just unlock it. John.
He starts screaming, do you know how much money I have? I'm stealing you 30
I got more money than you.
This is the car I saw at the gym when I was on my way to the gym. That's the car. So I was chatting with all the people. There was some guy, he told them wrong information, like, oh, this is $600,000, but it's 200. I told him it's a 2021 Huracan Evo. I saw it parked over there and I wondered why he left it there. He's not scared of getting dents. Then it was funny how the owner was arguing with the other guy who wanted to take the spot. Well, not really arguing, I don't know. Let's just say they were arguing in a friendly way. Nice. So we're gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a like, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. While leaving, I made new friends, Trevor.
What's up, guys?
And I'm gonna show them my favorite car because they missed it, they didn't see it, and it's
Walked right by it.
it's the AMG CLK 63 Black Series. So that's the one. And the 06 with the plate that I told you.
Oh, yeah.
You see, it's so cool.
Dude, I love that.
But mine is better, right?
All right, everyone. Our
16 times.
judges have been hard at work today. Many thanks to all of our volunteer judges who have helped judge today's entries. Let's give them a big round of applause to all of our judges. Let's also give a round of applause to all of our vehicle owners for showing off what they have done out here today. Our first winner is for Best Custom Paint Job. Best Custom Paint Job. It's going to an
You're gonna
airbrush
see the best.
Toyota pickup owned by Kurt Hall. Kurt Hall with the airbrushed Toyota pickup. You're our first judge winner today. Best Custom Paint Job. Come on up here and
That's the monster.
Kurt Hall, everyone. Congratulations.
So the story that I already told you, I was telling Trevor about it, and he told me, oh no, I didn't see it. I saw only the yellow one. And I told him, no,
Look at this thing.
that's the beast.
Unworldly. See the diffuser on the back?
Yeah.
That's hard, man. That's hard. Yeah. This is
So yeah, the diffuser, I was gonna put it on my car, but this one is too aggressive. This diffuser is,
It's big.
it's too aggressive. It's too aggressive to put on a E550 coupe. So I'm talking to you and to them at the same time.
Matthew Bowen, congratulations to you
thank you
on
so
your
much.
best custom interior for your VW Boss. Please
I think
come
I'm
on
gonna
up to
put the
stage
same caps
to claim your award. Matthew Bowen.
Australian mini.
So nice.
The motor one, and we like, dude, that'd be super
back. You see
Yeah.
that thing is so small.
Dude, the back looks nice. Like, it looks like you could sit back there. Just very weirdly. You could very, like, uncomfortably sit back there.
Look at the shift on one.
Still better than the Lotus.
Yeah, still much better than my back seats.
But apparently there's plenty of room for
That's a seat delete. This is, hey, that's a seat delete.
I know.
But you could.
It looks like you could lay back there, yeah. It's interesting.
This is all this is factory.
Oops, sorry. It was nice to meet you. Now I'm gonna go before people start leaving, and then it's gonna be packed. So my phone died. I went to charge it in my car. This is the Moroccan license plate. That's an Impala. And now it's time to go. Now we're officially leaving. Bye bye, Lamborghini. See you soon. And there was a drone. So if you remember, we parked that way. We came this way. And a lot of people are gone. I need to put my seatbelt. That's Trevor! Oh! Bro, you're so cool.
Good,
and that's
bro.
your car.
Did you see the drone?
I saw it. I was telling them about it.
That's awesome,
That's
man.
so cool.
I got a good shot. I'll send it to you.
That's so nice. So, another C8. So yeah, Trevor, he's so nice. He gave me he told me, oh, did you see the drone? I said, yeah, I saw it by the Lamborghini. He said, that was me. I said, oh, it was you. And then he sent me the footage he got. But he didn't have his SD card with him, so it's gonna show some stuff. I'll let you guys see it now.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy tonight. Happier tonight. Happier tonight. Can't be waiting for you in the morning. I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. I just wanna be happy.
Please. Thank you so much. That was so cool, so sweet, and I'm in it, so it was cool. It was neat.